Hello handbag lovers, I am here with a video. It will be a why I love my Dooney Bourke Lexington Shopper bag, as well as a unboxing. So if you're interested, please continue watching. Thank you for joining me as well. So this is the Dooney Bourke Small Lexington Shopper. And I actually love this bag, although I don't think many people do. But I'm going to give you 4 reasons why this is one of my favorite, most useful bags. So first of all, I have dubbed this my personal business reading bag, if you will. So it has a specific purpose for me. And because of that, I reach for it a lot. So when I say personal business reading bag, think about having to go to the bank and sitting and waiting, having to go to the doctor's office. The DMV is another good one where you know you're going to be waiting and you need something to occupy your mind. Barnes and Nobles or Starbucks is another place that I will generally carry this bag. So that's the first reason. I have a specific purpose for it, so therefore I reach for it a lot. The second reason is because it's my key personal business / reading bag, the items that I need fit perfectly in it. So let me just show you what's in it and give you a little bit more explanation. So first of all, it does have a front pocket. So I keep my phone in this front pocket. So that's very helpful. And then if I dig in here, I can show you high level what's in here. It almost looks like a brief case, if you will. So first of all, you'll notice that I can fit, well, let's start here. I can fit my notebook. So I have my notebook. So if I'm wanting to sit down, I want to write, I want to think, whatever. As you can see, this is the Brahmin journal. I think it's the Dragon Melbourne is this particular print, if you will, or embossing. So I have my journal if I want to write, so I like to do that a lot. I have my Nook, so if I'm waiting at the DMV, and you all can understand that, especially pre-COVID, I can have something to occupy my mind. I can read, so I have my Nook. Also, it's perfect size for a magazine. So if I'm reading or needing to catch up on my latest Harvard Business Review or HR magazine, whatever it may be, perfect fit for this bag. You know, sometimes I also may need to take a file with me. So if I need to carry something that I need to review for work or my business or whatever, or if I'm going to the doctor's office and I need to take something with me, it perfectly fits a file folder. Also, again, if I need to catch up on reading, I can bring my pamphlets and things like that I need to catch up on. Perfect Starbucks, Barnes & Noble reading. Again, my personal business reading book. Then it has my usual, my key case, which you've seen before. My key clay for my car key. And then my little pocket organizer that I use as a wallet for all of my credit cards and other cards. And then, you know, I still can fit my personal items. Lotion, lip balm, hand sanitizer, wet ones. So I still have all of the necessities as well. And this one is, I know you've seen these little cute bags before from Amazon with the various beautiful brown black girl prints on the front. So that fits in there as well. And then I have my Kleenex. If needed, you know that this bag also has a key leash. And I think that's all as far as inside of the bag. So you can see why it's just the perfect bag if you gotta sit and wait or take care of some personal business, or again, if you just want to take that trip to Barnes & Noble, Starbucks, or whatever. On the back, you see I have my usual hand sanitizer and my little tool to push buttons. Another thing, it has 2 pockets on the outside. It has that front pocket that I keep my phone. Then on the back, I can keep this little notebook that I have. I have several of these little small notebooks. Believe it or not, I got these from Cracker Barrel, and they have all different colors. So I sometimes try to match them with my bag if I'm being really cute that day. And then they also have pens that kind of match. So if I just need a little notebook to make some notes, I have this that fits perfectly in that front pocket. So that's why I love my Dooney Bourke Small Lexington Shopper. It has a specific purpose, and I reach for it quite a bit. So don't sleep on the Small Lexington Shopper. I've seen it recently within the last few days on QVC, and it's been around for a while. And this is really soft. You can see it's in the Ostrich print. I'm not sure what the exact color of this is because I've had this bag probably for like, I don't know, 3 or 4 or more years. So I love this bag. All right, so now to the unboxing. If you just give me a moment to clear this stuff out so we have room. Another reason why I like this bag is because it's very nice and compact. I didn't say that before. So it's a very small size or compact size. So I don't have to carry a big tote. So if you think about being in somewhere like the DMV, you don't have to take up a whole chair if you don't need to. You can just keep this right on your body at your side. If you have a big tote, sometimes you don't want to keep it. It doesn't feel right against your body while you're sitting down. So because it's compact, that works as well. Finally, it can pass the elbow test, the infamous or famous, however you want to watch it or say it, the elbow test. It does pass the elbow test. So this is just the perfect little bag. So now let me get into the unboxing. This is a Dooney Bourke, as you can see. And you could maybe guess what this might be. So let me just dig right in here. Rid of that, and this may look familiar. This is the receipt. This is the small Lexington cross or a small Lexington bag, and it is in the color raspberry. I got this when Dooney and Bourke were having a recent sale, and this color may be familiar to you all because I was able to get a cute exotic and rare satchel a few months ago from the San Marcos Dooney and Bourke outlet, and then I was able to get the Lexington crossbody, and then when I saw this, it was a Lexi crossbody. I got the Lexi crossbody. I will post a link to the video where I got the other 2 items in this ostrich print in the color raspberry. So this says that this is 20 of 50. If you're so interested. But again, I love my Lexington, small Lexington. I already have bags too with this print and color. So imagine my excitement when I saw this go on sale. And there's at least I've seen a lot of QVC videos on this bag. I will put the name and the dimensions in the video. But wanted to kind of share this one with you as well because I'm so excited to get one of my favorite bag styles in this color, in this print. She is beautiful, and I'm looking forward to carrying her as well and giving my yellow or gold one a break, perhaps. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you're interested as well for more videos. I really appreciate everyone's comments and support, And thank you for watching. And don't sleep on the Lexington, Small Lexington by Dooney Bourke. Thank you.